pancakes with white sauce. See how it looks. Come, we will make the egg pancakes with white sauce, which is going to be really nice. And watch how it is done. And you have to watch carefully so that you can do it. Come, we will make now and show you how these egg pancakes are done. I have taken 4 eggs. Beat it nicely. After beating these 4 eggs, I need the flour. 5 dessert spoons I have put. And along with that, I need 2 dessert spoons of corn flour also. We will keep this aside now. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to do the vegetables stir fry. Onions, carrots, capsicum, red pepper. All that I am going to stir fry now. Put a little oil, carrots. I'll add everything together. Chopped onion, all finely chopped. Capsicum, red pepper, onions, all that together. Stir fry. Salt, pepper, turmeric. While I am doing that, I'll put a little corn flour, mix it, add into this mixture. Now I am going to do the spinach. You can see that also I have taken. We will see what we are going to do. We will stir fry this spinach. In a little oil, stir fry. While we stir fry, add a little salt, pepper. Spinach is good, it's healthy, and of course it's good for us to have it as a meal also. With the dal we put and make it like that. You can make nice preparations with the spinach. I have taken a tray, buttered. This mixture goes in right at the bottom. Put it. Now we will start making the pancakes. We'll make pancakes first. Already the pan is heated, so it's take. We made the pancakes. 4 pancakes I have already made because we used 4 eggs. 4 or 5 eggs even you can use, no problem. Then you can make 5 pancakes. Now we will make the white sauce. I need 1.5 cups of milk. Balance I am using to mix the corn flour. Boil the milk. Once the milk gets boiled, half a cup of milk and kept aside, which we will put the corn flour in it. When the milk gets boiled, I will add 1 teaspoon of butter. Corn flour diluted, cook slightly till it gets thicker. Pepper, cook till it gets thicker. Now I will put into this bowl. We have got the mixture, vegetables, white sauce, the spinach, which I have already stir fried, and the pancakes. So now one by one, I'll put the pancake, white sauce, roll it up. Have one more egg here. This egg goes into the white sauce. Grate a little bit of cheese over that. We are going to bake this. I have put the egg lastly. One egg I put with the white sauce and poured it over. Cheese we have put it. So we will bake this and take it. How long? 15 to 20 minutes, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. We will bake and take it. Egg pancakes are made. You can see how it looks. And we only have to put a little parsley on top. And we don't need too much also, just a wee bit of parsley. And before baking, you should not put, then it gets burnt. So once it is baked, just put a little. Lovely. This egg pancakes can have for a meal. That is, mainly it's interesting to have for dinner. So you try it out and see how it comes. And another, very soon, with another episode, I'll be there with you. So till then, bye from me now.